Hey there, I'm William, your market analyst, and welcome back to the channel where we uncover hidden opportunities in the stock market. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today, we're exploring something special to AI and tech penny stocks trading under $5 that have real revenue, actual products, and growth trajectories that could surprise you. While everyone's chasing the big AI names like Nvidia and Microsoft, there are two under-the-radar companies trading for less than $5 that are quietly positioning themselves at the intersection of artificial intelligence and real-world applications. I'm talking about genuine penny stocks with actual revenue, real partnerships, and technology that's already being deployed. Now, I know what you're thinking: penny stocks and AI sounds like hype and disappointment. But what I'm about to share isn't about speculation or empty promises. These are two companies with tangible products, growing customer bases, and financial metrics that tell a story most investors are completely missing. Before we dive in, let me be crystal clear. This isn't financial advice, and penny stocks carry significant risk. But if you're the kind of investor who understands that risk and reward go hand in hand, and you're willing to do your homework, then you might find this absolutely fascinating. Everyone sees the headlines about ChatGPT and generative AI. But the real transformation is happening in specialized applications where AI solves specific, high-value problems. We're talking about computer vision that can monitor entire cities, machine learning platforms that detect threats in real time, and intelligent systems making businesses more efficient every single day. The AI market is expected to hit over $1 trillion in the coming years, and while the giants will take their share, there's enormous opportunity in companies providing specialized solutions to underserved markets. Our first hidden gem is Aveda Solutions Incorporated, trading under ticker symbol IVDA. Aveda is an AI and digital transformation company that specializes in intelligent video search technology and IoT platforms. They've carved out a specific niche in smart city technology, video surveillance, and sensor-based solutions. The company was founded in 1999, so this isn't some startup that popped up to ride the AI wave. They've been developing their technology for years, and now, as cities and businesses worldwide are ready to adopt smart technology at scale, Aveda is positioned to capitalize on decades of R&D and real-world deployment experience. Their flagship platform is called Aveda, which uses deep learning neural networks for video analytics. In a world where security cameras are everywhere, most of that footage is useless unless someone is actively watching it. Aveda's technology changes that completely. Their AI can analyze video feeds in real time, detect specific objects, recognize patterns, identify potential threats, and even predict incidents before they happen. They work with smart cities, transportation systems, government facilities, and commercial properties. One of their major deployments is in Taiwan, where they've partnered with various government agencies and private companies to deploy thousands of smart sensors and cameras. They're also expanding in the United States, particularly in the smart city sector, where municipalities are upgrading aging infrastructure with intelligent systems. In their most recent quarterly report, Aveda showed revenue growth many investors aren't paying attention to. For Q3 2024, they reported revenues of approximately $1.4 million, representing significant growth compared to previous years. Their gross margins are improving as they shift from hardware sales to recurring software and service revenue, a business model transformation that should excite any investor who understands SaaS economics. The company has been focusing on their IVDA 360 platform, which is a cloud-based ecosystem for smart cities and IoT devices. This platform generates recurring monthly revenue, which is the holy grail in tech investing because it's predictable and scalable. They've also been reducing operating expenses and streamlining operations, which is exactly what you want to see, a company transitioning to sustainable profitability. In 2024, Aveda announced a strategic partnership with Excel Infotech, one of India's leading digital transformation companies. This opens up the massive Indian market for Aveda solutions, particularly in smart cities, where the Indian government has been investing billions. They've also been working closely with Taiwanese government on various smart city initiatives, with existing deployments generating steady revenue. What's particularly interesting is their intellectual property portfolio. They hold multiple patents for their video search and analytics technology, providing a competitive moat in an increasingly crowded AI market. Their technology has been battle-tested in real-world conditions for years, which is a huge advantage over newer companies still figuring out how to deploy AI at scale. The stock is currently trading around $3, giving it a market cap of roughly $60 million. For a company with growing revenue, improving margins, expanding partnerships, and proven technology, that valuation seems incredibly low compared to other AI stocks. Of course, Aveda faces challenges typical of penny stocks: limited liquidity, the need for continued capital to fund growth, and execution risk. But for investors willing to take on that risk, the potential upside could be substantial. Our second pick is Nerdy Incorporated, trading under ticker symbol NRDY. If you've heard of Varsity Tutors, then you already know Nerdy's consumer brand. Nerdy operates a proprietary platform that connects learners of all ages with experts, tutors, and instructors across thousands of subjects and test prep courses. They're using artificial intelligence and machine learning to transform how personalized learning happens at scale. The global education technology market is enormous, hundreds of billions of dollars, and growing rapidly as learning moves online and students demand more personalized, flexible educational experiences. Nerdy has built a platform that has facilitated millions of hours of live learning, connecting students with qualified instructors in real time. What sets them apart is their investment in AI-powered tools that map students with the right instructors, personalize learning paths, identify knowledge gaps, and optimize the entire learning experience. They've developed proprietary algorithms that analyze learning patterns, student performance, and teaching effectiveness to continuously improve outcomes. This isn't just a marketplace, it's an intelligent platform that gets better the more it's used, creating powerful network effects. Nerdy is a different animal than Aveda, much larger in terms of revenue scale. In their Q3 2024 results, Nerdy reported revenue of approximately $43 million, showing year-over-year growth even in a challenging consumer spending environment. What's really important is their focus on driving towards adjusted EBITDA profitability. They've been systematically reducing operating expenses, optimizing marketing spend, and improving unit economics on each customer they acquire. Their gross margins are strong, typically 70 to 75%, which is exactly what you want to see in a platform business. The leverage in their model is incredible. As they add more learners and experts to their platform, their incremental costs are minimal, meaning every additional dollar of revenue drops significantly to the bottom line. Nerdy launched an AI-powered instant tutoring feature that uses large language models combined with their proprietary educational content to provide on-demand help. Unlike generic AI tutors, their system is trained on millions of real tutoring sessions that happened on their platform, giving it insights into what actually works in teaching different subjects to different types of learners. They're also using AI on the instructor side, providing tools that help tutors be more effective, prepare better lessons, and track student progress. This creates a flywheel effect. Better tools attract better instructors attract more students generate more data, and more data makes the AI smarter. Test preparation alone is a multi-billion-dollar market, and Nerdy has strong brand recognition through Varsity Tutors. They've partnered with major institutions and school districts to provide supplemental learning services, opening up the B2B channel, which offers larger contracts and more stable revenue streams. The stock is currently trading around $3.50, giving Nerdy market cap of approximately $550 million. The company went public through a SPAC merger in 2021 at a much higher valuation, and like many tech stocks from that period, it's been beaten down significantly. But the underlying business has actually improved. Their closer to profitability, their unit economics are better, and they've built a stronger competitive position. Their leadership team has been executing consistently, making tough decisions to cut expenses where necessary while doubling down on AI investments. They're sitting on a platform that has already proven it works at scale: millions of learning sessions, thousands of experts, strong customer satisfaction scores, and improving retention metrics. These aren't speculative plays without substance. Aveda brings proven technology, government relationships, and a foothold in the massive smart city market that's just beginning to scale globally. Nerdy offers profitable unit economics, strong brand recognition, and AI capabilities that create genuine competitive advantages in education. If you're interested in either opportunity, start by doing your own deep dive. Read their most recent 10Q and 10K filings. Listen to their earnings calls, check their investor presentations, look at their cash position, and assess whether their business model aligns with your investment thesis and risk tolerance. Remember, penny stocks can be volatile, prices can swing dramatically on low volume, and these companies face real execution challenges. But for investors to understand these risks, both Aveda and Nerdy represent potential opportunities in the AI revolution that most people are completely missing. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which company interests you more and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue uncovering hidden market opportunities. Until then, invest wisely, stay curious, and never stop learning.